Here is the question, and we will solve it step by step with a quick and intuitive approach. Given cosine theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. We want the value of sine squared theta plus sine to the fourth theta. Step 1. Isolate cosine theta from the given equation. Starting from cosine theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1, subtract cosine squared theta from both sides to get cosine theta equals 1 minus cosine squared theta. Step 2. Use the Pythagorean identity. Sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. Rearranging gives sine squared theta equals 1 minus cosine squared theta. Step 3. Substitute the identity into our isolated result. From step 1 we had cosine theta equals 1 minus cosine squared theta. But 1 minus cosine squared theta equals sine squared theta. So cosine theta equals sine squared theta. This is the key relationship. Step 4. Rewrite the target expression clearly. We need sine squared theta plus sine to the fourth theta. Write sine to the fourth as open parenthesis sine squared theta close parenthesis squared. Step 5. Use our key relationship. Replace each sine squared theta by cosine theta. The expression becomes cosine theta plus cosine squared theta. But from the original given, cosine theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. Therefore, the desired value is 1. Recap. Isolate cosine theta. Use the Pythagorean identity to get sine squared theta equals 1 minus cosine squared theta. Then cosine theta equals sine squared theta. Substitute into the target and use the given to conclude the value is 1. Answer 1. Nicely done. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on muyversemaths.